Beste passagiers, nogmaals een hele goede morgen. Mijn naam is Melia en namens de gehele bemanning wensen wij u een warm welkom aan boord van deze vlucht met bestemming Bologna.
Couple of days, we are here in Italy with Pershing. This is a very special occasion as the yard is celebrating its 40th anniversary. Today we are having a tour of the Mondolfo shipyard, so come along and check it out.
So we drive to the shore and we shout, we don't know how it goes, so good to feel the rush again. And it's never coming down, we're invincible.
From its humble beginnings in the 1980s to launching the game-changing Pershing 45, the Italian yard has consistently pushed the boundaries of fast luxury motor yachts. Over the decades, bold engineering, from surface-piercing propellers to triple engines and carbon fibre wings, has defined the brand's sporty DNA. Now, with the new GTX series and cutting-edge production in Mondolfo, Pershing looks ahead to an even faster and sleeker future.